This is where I grew up, on this farm. My grandfather started here in the 40s. I remember as a little kid being curious about everything it took to run this place. All the machinery, all the systems, being real curious about how they actually worked. Little by little, I got to learn how to fix things, how to add new parts to an old machine. A lot of this stuff's been here longer than I have. It's been 80 years since we've used some of it. I've got to make sure it's working good for the next 100 years.
I'm here to gather ingredients, get great people sharing their passions, contributing their expertise, being themselves, and being their best. So as a team, we form something really beautiful. For our customers, for their patients, and for the world. There's an opportunity for the right people to come together and do something special. We gotta have the right people with the right plan.